Hey guys, we're going to talk about the Onan 4500i gas powered generator. It's very versatile and packs a punch for the size. Let's go take a look. There's 3 ways to start this generator. One is the push button, easiest way. Next is the keyless fob that you can use. That way you can push button for up to 100 meters away. Then you have a pull start if all else fails. Right here, it has for the 110. It's got 2 110 plugs here. Very easy to use. Just plug extension cord, anything in. This right here is the 30 amp. So if your camper has 30 amp service, you plug right to it. Another key point to this, everything is right here on the display. Everything's very easy to get to. It's very easy to move in and out of tight places. All right guys, now that we've talked about what it can do and the capabilities, let's go see it in action. We're at the campsite now. We're ready to plug our trailer in to your 30 amp plug right here. We're gonna turn our disconnect on. We're gonna start it with the wireless. So as you hear, once you start it, it kicked up RPMs just a little bit. We've got the AC running in this unit, also all the lights on. So that means we've still got 45 to 50% of our capacity. We can plug an extension cord in, we can use our outlets inside, we can even give a neighbor power if he needs it. So the biggest key point on this is going to be the size and the quality of sound. This digital display right here is going to tell us how much of our capacity we're using. It's got a fuel gauge here, it tells you how much fuel you have. It's very quiet, it's very mobile, it's very easy to move around. If you want to know more about it, just come see us at Trailers of the East Coast.